The new rendering engine introduced with version 14 also provides denoiser support. A denoiser is a post-processing filter that reduces fireflies or unlit pixels, introduced by a sample-based rendering engine. The denoiser is one of 5 new post-processing effects located in the photorealistic render settings dialog box. This filter significantly reduces rendering times by applying advanced filtering algorithms specific to path ray tracing rendering engines. By default, the sharpness value for the denoiser is set to 0, which is full filtering. Note, the denoiser only works in CPU and will add a slight pause to each sample rendered. In our next example, we'll compare using the denoiser on a scene. The video on the left is no denoiser, while the video on the right has the denoiser enabled with a sharpness value of 0. Both videos have been sped up from the actual time of 100 seconds.